Hi, my name's Jackie and I work for the home delivery service through Neath Talbot Libraries. If you enjoy reading but can't get to your local library, then we're for you. We provide a free delivery service of books and audio materials straight to your door. If you were interested or need any more information, please search Neath Talbot Libraries.
Hi Anne, it's Jackie. How are you? Are you okay? Well, we've got the new Kirsten Hannah for you and the Jenny Ashcroft you asked for as well. Also, I put some new ones that we've had in as well, in for you. I'll be with you tomorrow, is that okay? Because I'm in your area.
There we are.
There we go. Were they okay?
That's brilliant.
Thanks. There we are. Some new ones in there for you.
Okay.
Need anything, just give me a ring, okay?